Have you ever wondered what happens to a photo after we delete it? Let's break down the tech behind it. In tech terms, deleted rarely means erased. It usually means the system forgets where the photo is stored and allows that space to be reused later. This means the actual photo often remains on the storage chip, untouched, until new data is written over it. Let's have a look into the journey of a photo after deletion. When we tap Delete, the photo usually moves to the trash or recently deleted folder. The trash stage represents a soft delete, which means your phone or computer simply moves the photo into a temporary folder and marks it for removal later, usually after 30 days. This is why you can restore the photo during that period. When the trash is emptied, the photo's address is removed from the file system. However, the actual photo data may still remain on the storage device and can sometimes be recovered. What actually happens when trash is emptied? When the trash is emptied, the operating system does not immediately scrub or erase the photo from the storage chip. Every storage device maintains a table or index that tracks where files are stored. For example, it may contain information such as file name, storage location address, file size, other metadata. When a photo is deleted, the operating system simply removes the file's entry from this table and marks the storage space as available for future use. The photo data itself usually remains there until another file is written over that space. Once new data overwrites those storage blocks, the photo is truly gone from the device. Modern phones and laptops use flash storage, SSDs, which behave a bit differently from old spinning hard drives. They use a feature called trim, where the system tells the drive, "These blocks are free now," and the drive often wipes them in the background for performance reasons. So, on flash storage, a deleted file can become unrecoverable much faster, sometimes within minutes, rather than waiting for a random overwrite. Can we permanently delete it? On modern devices, the safest way to permanently remove personal data before selling or giving away a phone is usually to perform a factory reset. This works because modern phones typically encrypt all data on the storage chip by default. The encrypted data is useless without the encryption key. When a factory reset is performed, the device destroys the encryption keys and removes user data. As a result, the remaining encrypted data becomes unreadable and effectively useless. This method is called crypto erase, and it is one of the main reasons a factory reset is generally considered safe before selling a phone.